Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this soft sparkly pink makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe and let's begin. First thing I'm going to do is moisturize my skin with this Bobbi Brown Enriched Vitamin E base. I really love this. I kind of use this one as my skincare before my makeup. It's very moisturizing. Next, I'm gonna moisturize my lips with this lip balm, and this is from Buxom. I really love it. And now I'm gonna prime my skin with Dior Backstage primer. I really love this one because it's really smoothing. Today's foundation is going to be from Macgrath, and I will list all the shades and everything down below. I like this foundation because it's very lightweight and it's very buildable, so you can go from very sheer coverage to medium. So I'm going to apply 2 thin layers of this foundation just to give me that light to medium coverage. It's very lightweight. It doesn't last that long on my skin, probably I would say 6 to 7 hours, but I will set it with a little bit of powder today. I'm going to apply some concealer, and the concealer I'm using today is from Macgrath as well. So I'm just going to apply it in those areas, and I'm just gonna blend it with the same foundation brush. This foundation brush is my absolute favorite. I've talked about it before. It's from It Cosmetics. And I'm going to blend the rest of the concealer with a small beauty blender. This is from Real Technique. I really love how small it is, just to kind of fit underneath the eyes. The corners of my eyes, I always use the other end of that brush. Next, I'm going to cream bronze, and this is from Chanel. This is the original Chanel cream bronzer. I know there's a new version of it, but so I'm just going to cream bronze where I do normally bronze my skin, forehead, cheeks, and the side of the nose. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes and around my mouth area from Macgrath. So with the same sponge, I'm just going to set my chin area, around my mouth, and under my eyes. I like this powder. It's very smoothing. Nothing special about it, but I really love the tone of it because it has that yellow tone to it. Next, I'm going to set my cream bronzer in place, and this is the Film Star palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I do like that bronzer so much because it's not too warm, it's not too cool. And I'm just going to bronze my nose as well with just a fluffy brush. I'm going to use the Chanel highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight the cheekbones, nose, and cupid bow as well. I just felt like it was a little bit light for my skin tone, so I used the Heat Wave from Estee Lauder, and I'm just going to mix it with this shade. This has a little bit of a gold color to it. And I'm going to use Jouer palette. This is the mini one. As I said, I'll list everything down below. I'm just going to use that beautiful terracotta shade. It has that peachy, orangey finish to it. It's really pretty on the cheeks, and they last a long time as well. I'm just going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using the same concealer from Macgrath. And I do love this step to conceal my lids before any eyeshadow goes on. Next, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty palette. I haven't used it on my channel, so I'm going to start with that beautiful brown shade, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner and then blend it in all over the crease area. And this is just a fluffy crease brush from Sephora collection. I think this was the collaboration with Minnie Mouse Disney collection. Next, I'm going to use that peachy pink color. It's really pretty. It looks more satin in the palette, but it's actually very beautiful on the lid. It didn't have any shimmers in it. And I just used it below that crease color. And I do love the way it looks on the eyes. It looks like a warm pink color. It's really pretty. So I'm going to take that shade again and I'm just going to blend it in the lower lash line. And that's all I'm doing for the lower lashes. I'm going to use that beautiful pink shade in the palette and I'm just going to apply it in the inner corner and just a tiny bit on the lid. And now I'm just going to top it with that beautiful white shade that has a little bit of a pink shift to it. So I'm just going to apply it right in the inner corners. Next, I'm going to use this Love Glow palette from Natasha Denonna. And I'm just going to take that beautiful pinky sparkly color and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid, just halfway through. I love this color so much. The sparkles are so beautiful. I've tried it before on my face. I didn't mind it, but I love it for the lids. It's just sparkles and it's very shimmery. And now I'm going to use MAC liner, and this is in the shade black, and I'm just going to make a very thin, very simple wing liner. And for my lashes, I'm going to use Yes Queen from Lily Lashes, and I'm just going to pop them on off camera and I will be back. Next, I'm going to use a very nude lip liner. This is from Ace Beauty. And I'm just going to line up my lips. And then I'm going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naked. And I'm going to top it with a lip gloss from Patrick Ta. And it's in the shade She's an Influencer. It's really a pretty gloss. It's very shiny. It's not sticky at all. I really love it. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.